Cooking up that good steak. Ooh-wee. Potatoes boiling in the pot. You know what it is. It's a Monday night. It's the 11th of December. Here cooking a meal. Got potatoes, some gold potatoes, and I got nice, juicy, perfectly cut, no season, reverse sear going on here and 400 degrees. I gotta flip it. A big flip. Now, what I like doing with my potatoes in the pot is I stir them a little bit, get that stir motion going, you know, nice and slow, and then I look at it, make sure it's looking like it's cooked, and this is the big test here. If my fork goes in it and it comes out and it doesn't lift, it's done. So I'm getting it off the pot, gonna let it or I'm getting it off the heat, gonna let it sit in the pot, let it cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna let my potatoes cool in the pot a little bit. Gotta check on my meat. I just got this digital thermostat. It's way better than the old, the one that has the arrow that moves around, because the one that has the arrow that moves around, it gets loose and you don't know where it's starting from, so you don't know what temperature your meat really is if it gets loose. But this one is digital, so that doesn't happen. Checking the meat. Oh yeah. So it's ready. The sear begins. The oven is done with the meat. Now it's to the pan. I always start with a little bit of butter in my pan, just to get a nice little coat so the meat doesn't stick right away. Pop this up here. I'm gonna move the camera for you guys. So this is my pan right here. So we're going here. Whew. That should be a good one. Yeah. So I usually just do about a couple minutes on each side. Is what I usually like doing. I'm gonna drain the potatoes. I'm just gonna switch the camera right here. And that's how you drain a potato. So back to the meat. So we're about done here. About done here. Look at that. Woo. Let me get a focus on that. On that. Woo-wee. Look at that steak, guys. Look at that shit. That's some good shit there, guys. And I'm gonna check the thermostat. I'm gonna check the thermostat here soon on it. My potatoes. So what I do with my potatoes is I look at them and I crush them. I just start crushing. Boom, boom. Let me check this here. So about 140, 150, about right where I want it. So there it is. Look at that perfection. This is just great, guys. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna focus on the potatoes. I start crushing them up. Here I just use my fork. You know, you could probably use a potato masher. Might be a little easier. But me, I just fork it. I crack myself up. And then here I add some butter. Just a little bit. Just a tad of butter. But we're out. Sucks when you're out of butter. Fudge. Do we got more butter? Oh, we got more butter. Yeah. So what the hell? Paper in my butter. Always make sure that paper's out of there. You don't want to be eating no paper. No paper. Alright. God, butter's so fucking messy. Ugh. Oh, and I do put some butter on my steak as well. I do that. Just get a nice chunk of butter. And I put it right on the steak there. So, this is what I do to my steak. I slowly lather it, you know. You just gotta lather it. You gotta make love to your food for it to taste well. You just gotta make some love to it, you know. Just spread it. Oh, the bottom doesn't look as good as the other side. As the top. Ugh, I can't get this. Oh shit. There we go. So yeah, I'll spread my butter. Oh my god. This is just so much. Okay. So that's the butter on the steak. Now I just put a chunk of butter in the pot with my potatoes. I want this to get in my potatoes and get buttery. Get nice and buttery. And then I just add a little shredded cheese to my potatoes is what I do. A little shredded cheese, you can never go wrong. So here's the last final steps. Got my potatoes and my steak. And you know, I always gotta top it off with some shredded cheese. Whoever's got some homemade cheese, let me know, because I'm sick and tired of using this Kroger cheese. You know, I want some good flavored cheese. Drop in the comments some good cheese. And of course, I got my mango nectar. Got it from Costco. Very good, but a lot of sugar. So I only have one glass with my dinner during the day. And there you have it. It's a meal. Steak, potatoes, and some mango nectar. How could I have forgotten? Obviously, the fruit. You need the fruit. Fruit and veggies, along with your meals, is key for your nutrition and health. So, eat well.